Hello everyone, welcome back to Vidwath Academics. I'm your science tutor Asha Naik. So today I'm here with the one more new chapter for grade 7 kids, that is changes around us, which is physical and chemical change. So in this particular session we are going to study and learn about introduction to changes around us and physical changes. Okay, so what exactly we're going to learn in this? So that changes occurs everywhere around us. Some changes are small and some are temporary changes, while others are permanent changes. This chapter helps us to understand these different kind of changes, identify the different kind of changes and see what causes it. Okay, so that occurs in nature and in our daily life. Okay, without delaying, let's get into the chapter. So what are those changes around us that we observe usually? So in our surroundings, there are many changes that occur. Okay, so if you observe it carefully. So for examples, ice melting into water, if you take out from the refrigerator, ice melts into water, that is a change. Okay, and a bird turning into in a beautiful garden, it's blooming into a flower. Fruits getting ripened, food is getting cooked, clothes is getting dry in sunlight when it is exposed to the sunlight. So these changes make our surroundings dynamic and interesting. What causes us to carry out these changes? What is happening over there? What led to these changes? Isn't it like, have you ever think about that? Have you ever observed this carefully? Observe it and make a list what else the changes that you can identify around us. Okay. So now, students often observe simple changes as ice cube when it is placed outside, it melts, right? And a bottle containing cold water, after a period, it becomes warm. I mean, it attains to the room temperature itself. So flower bud gradually it opens up and blooms into flower. Fruits usually ripen up. So these examples shows the changes are natural. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to carry out anything to bring these changes. If you keep it as such, these changes are happening naturally. Natural changes. Okay, you can see over here in the picture. So what does this change? What causing it? So solid, liquid, gas. What is happening? What are these? These are physical state. In which physical state it is present. So all these are water itself. It is existing in a different forms. A change occurs when something becomes different from its original state. If you consider only a ice cube, it is ice cube. There is something getting changed. It has started melting. It is forming into a liquid state. It's again a water itself, but there is something is getting changed. That is physical state. So in the same way, there are some changes are happening. That something is nothing but leads to identify it as a change has taken place. Changes may involve not only physical state. It involves change in shape, change in size, change in the physical state over here, change in the color of the substance, change in smell. This changes leads to identification of the change. Okay, when ice melts, its physical state is getting changed.